Hey guys, MFZ here from the Handlers, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the screen of your smartphone without any additional chemicals. So let's get started. So first of all, try to clean your smartphone screen with the dry tissue paper, and if that doesn't work, try to drop a little bit of water on the tissue paper to soak it, and then try to clean it, and it will clean your screen. Please do not use any other chemicals like glass cleaners. They will destroy your screen or damage your screen. And also please do not drop water directly onto the screen. That could also hurt the screen's quality. So hope you guys like this video, and please consider smashing that subscribe button. And I'm MFZ from the Handlers, and I'm signing out.